Sup everyone, Rec here, and today we're going to be building a budget gaming PC for my brother-in-law. Back in December, he was looking for a $500 gaming PC, and that just wasn't on the market. And as you guys know, the PC part market is kind of out of control. I mean, GPU and RAM prices are crazy right now. So fortunately, I was able to find some deals back in December to put this build all together. And I'm actually super excited to get into this because I've actually got a couple brands on this list that I don't usually necessarily go for, but I know that they're pretty solid, and I'm super excited to try building with them and see how crispy this PC is going to be. Okay guys, let's talk about what parts are going to go into this build today. First up, we've got an MSI GTX 1060. It's the 3GB version, but that's okay for what my brother-in-law is going to be getting into. It's perfectly fine. We've also got a MSI X370 Gaming Pro Carbon. I actually have this motherboard in my personal machine that I use for gaming and streaming. Super solid, and it's going to look amazing in this build. We've also got a Ryzen 5 1600. We're going to be using the stock cooler that's provided. And we've also got a Seagate Barracuda 2TB hard drive. And back here in the back, we've got a Seasonic fully modular 520 watt power supply. Over here, we have 16 gigs of G-Skill DDR4 3200 memory. And our final piece is the NZXT S340 Elite in white. I'm super excited to build inside this case. This is the first time I'm going to be building in a case that's not Corsair or Antec. So I'm super excited to see how the cable management and how crisp and clean it's going to look with this here tempered glass side panel. So let's get to it. Alright homies, the PC is done, and as you can see it is looking crisp. Only thing I have to do now is some more wire management and to load the operating system. So then we'll be able to take that bad boy for a spin, and it'll be perfect for my brother-in-law when it's time for him to pick it up. Thanks for watching, guys. In the description below I got the full parts list, and hopefully we could do some more build videos soon. You guys have a good one. Peace.